Watch thousands of tons of rusted history vanish in seconds. Extreme heat dissolves the past to forge a stronger future. From forgotten rust to high-speed perfection, the cycle is complete. But how does a 50-ton locomotive become miles of perfect steel? The journey starts here. Every year, thousands of trains reach the end of service.
Decades of use weaken even the strongest steel. Weather and stress slowly take their toll.
Each train is carefully catalogued before dismantling. Reusable steel is identified precisely.
Non-metal parts are removed first.
Materials are separated for recycling or disposal. Now the heavy dismantling begins. Heavy machinery replaces human strength. Extreme pressure cuts through hardened steel.
Destruction with precision ensures uniform sections.
Large structures become manageable for transport. Every move is controlled for safety. High-grade steel is separated for melting. Sorting ensures quality for recycling. Steel is reduced into uniform fragments for melting. Built to crush hardened steel efficiently. Impurities are removed to ensure pure steel. Only clean steel moves forward. Each batch is measured precisely for melting.
Steel moves forward in the recycling process.
Where solid steel becomes molten. Extreme temperatures transform steel. Old trains dissolve into new possibilities.
Impurities separate naturally.
Purification ensures quality steel.
Chemical composition is monitored closely. Strength is engineered for new rails. Transported safely to shaping molds. Precision ensures perfect rails. Controlled cooling forms the rail shape. Steel is reborn into new form. Rails cool gradually to maintain integrity. Precision alignment ensures safety. Every millimeter is verified. Traceability is embedded in every rail. Slabs are reheated to reach ideal rolling temperature. High temperature makes steel malleable for rolling. Slabs move to the first rolling pass. Pressure gradually shapes the steel into rails. Each pass elongates and thins the slab precisely. The rail begins to take shape. Multiple rolling passes ensure precise dimensions.
Profile is checked visually before cooling.
Rails are gradually cooled to prevent warping. Controlled cooling perceives strength. Rails are straightened to exact specifications. Every millimeter is checked for accuracy. Rails are scanned for internal imperfections.
Surface defects are identified and removed.
Only perfect rails continue to shipment. Traceability is embedded in every rail.
Rails are prepared for delivery.
Every rail begins its journey to the tracks. Rails are transported carefully to installation sites. Foundations are prepared for new rails.
Recycled steel takes new form on tracks.
Seamless joints ensure safe passage.
Smooth finish guarantees quality.
Every bolt is secured to ensure rail stability.
Precision measurements guarantee perfect alignment.
Hydraulic force locks rails firmly in place. Ballast provides stability and drainage for the track. Manual checks ensure even distribution. Recycling trains reduces waste and conserves resources. Every surface polished and tested. Safety systems ensure smooth operations. Welds maintain seamless continuity. Fastenings are double-checked for safety. Every segment completed efficiently. Final checks confirm readiness. First test confirms strength and alignment. Rails are constantly monitored for safety. Recycled steel shines in new life. Built to last, even in quiet nights.
Each day, rails witness new journeys.
From rust to purpose, the cycle continues. Recycling completes a perfect loop of sustainability. Tracks stand ready for the next generation. Recycled rails carry life and progress. Rails weave through natural landscapes.
Rails integrate seamlessly into the environment.
Rails connect cities efficiently.
Recycled steel continues its journey, serving communities. Recycled steel serves reliably once more. Every rail can be traced to its origin. Rails adapt to every terrain.
Every sleeper supports weight evenly.
Welds are verified for maximum safety. Recycled rails serve both urban and rural areas. From old trains to new journeys. Every connection tested under load. Recycled steel continues its journey.
Human effort and technology combined.
Old trains live again through new tracks. The cycle of recycling never ends.